Greetings, dear viewers. Today, we've got an exciting challenge lined up for you that's bound to get your brain gears turning. We're venturing into the fascinating world of riddles, a brain-teasing genre that has captivated minds for centuries. From brain teasers to mind-bending puzzles, we've curated some of the most intriguing riddles out there. Think you can solve them all? Let's find out together. 1. I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. I have no body, but I come alive with the wind. What am I? The answer to the riddle is an echo. An echo is a sound that is reflected off surfaces and heard again. It does not have a physical form, hence it speaks without a mouth and hears without ears. The phrase "comes alive with the wind" suggests that echoes can be influenced by environmental conditions, such as wind direction and speed, which can affect how sound travels. 2. I'm light as a feather, yet the strongest man can't hold me for more than 5 minutes. What am I? The answer to the riddle is breath. It's light as a feather, but no matter how strong you are, you can't hold it in for too long. Well, unless you're secretly a dolphin or something. 3. What has keys but can't open locks? The answer to the riddle is a piano. This instrument has keys that create beautiful melodies, allowing musicians to express their emotions and creativity. However, despite having many keys, it can't open a single lock. So while you might expect a piano to unlock a symphony, it certainly won't help you get into your house. 4. I'm tall when I'm young, and I'm short when I'm old. What am I? The answer to the riddle is a candle. When it's first lit, the candle stands tall with a full length of wax. However, as it burns over time, it grows shorter until eventually, it melts away completely, leaving only a small remnant behind. The flame may flicker and fade, but it serves its purpose of providing light until the very end. 5. I shave every day, but my beard stays the same. What am I? The answer to the riddle is a barber. A barber shaves or trims other people's hair and beards every day, but his own beard remains unchanged. He keeps others looking sharp while his own facial hair stays the same. 6. The more you take, the more you leave behind. What am I? The answer to the riddle is footsteps. The more steps you take, the more you leave behind you on your path. Every time you move forward, you're leaving a trail, but you're not really taking anything away, except maybe a bit of energy. 7. What has many teeth but can't bite? The answer to the riddle is a comb. It has many teeth lined up to smooth and detangle your hair, but despite all those teeth, it can't bite. It's all about keeping things neat, not chomping down. 8. I'm always in front of you but can't be seen. What am I? The answer to the riddle is the future. It's always ahead of you, constantly approaching, yet you can never see it. It's full of mystery and potential, but remains invisible until it becomes the present. 9. I'm not alive, but I can grow. I don't have lungs, but I need air. What am I? The answer to this riddle is a fire. Although a fire is not alive in the traditional sense, it can grow and spread if it has enough fuel and oxygen. And while a fire doesn't have lungs, it needs air, specifically oxygen, to keep burning. This riddle is a clever reminder that some non-living things can display similar characteristics to living things. 10. I'm found in socks, scarves, and mittens, and often in the paws of playful kittens. What am I? The answer to this delightful riddle is yarn. Yarn is a common material used to knit or crochet socks, scarves, and mittens, as well as cozy accessories for our feline friends. This riddle highlights the versatility and ubiquity of yarn in everyday life and crafts. Thanks for watching, and please let us know how many you got right.